smack it in the air. Smack it in the air. Legs moving side to side.
Hey everyone, I'm finally going to do my install review. I know you guys have been waiting forever for this, but I've had a lot of things going on right now. I'm about to start school this week, so I just been trying to get everything together and packed for school and for my apartment because it's going to be a lot of stuff going on this week, and I'm probably going to be busy a lot, so I just hurried. I rushed. Like, I already did like majority of the video. I just didn't record like I'm doing now. I've just done like the intro and put the videos and pictures of the hair and stuff, but now you guys can actually see me. So you guys, that I got my hair back in June, and I got my hair installed on August 1st by Maggie Styles. I'll put her Instagram down below. That is the girl who installed my bundles and actually did my hair. Now my hair looks a little, I know y'all probably like, what the hell? But I had curls in my hair yesterday and I never straightened my hair. I'm going to straighten it after this video. But I had curls in my hair. And for an event that I had with my family Saturday. So I co-washed my hair with Tresemme, which if you guys go back to my other video, you guys can see the products that are supposed to be used on this hair. And to remind you, this is hair from Prissy Body Wave, 34, 36, and 38 inches with a 16-inch closure. And I'm just going to stand up so you guys can see. Now, I told you guys before, I'm 5'8.5", so as you can see, my hair hangs down. It's not straight, so you can't really see the effect. But if it was straightened, it would be like down to like almost my kneecaps. So, yeah. This hair is pretty long, and getting it curled yesterday by my stepmom, she was struggling like crazy. So, but we still got some curls in. So, my stylist Maggie took the closure, and she gave it a brown rinse so it can match my scalp, as you can see. And she did that. She installed that, and then she installed the bundle. She cut the web so they can all, So I've used, this is all 3 bundles and the closure. Like, there was no hair left over. Like, all my hair was used. And it was enough. I thought it was not going to be enough. I was like, okay. I was going to buy another bundle from Prissy. I was like, okay, I need another bundle because I don't feel like this is enough hair. Because everyone knows the shorter the weft, the shorter the hair, the more weft you have. The longer the hair, the shorter the weft is. But it's completely different. This was enough. 3 bundles and a closure. This filled my whole head, and I was like, dang, well, my head's not as big as I thought it was. So I used all this hair. My hair is not thin whatsoever. Like, it's thick. Like, when I run my hands through it, it's pretty thick. Like, there's no extra hair. If you ladies buy 3 bundles and a closure, your hair is gonna be full, unless you like have a really ginormous head. No offense to anyone, but I don't think you need more than that. 3 bundles and a closure will do you just fine. So what else? Now, since it's only almost been a week, with the shedding, I've seen a little bit more shedding. I think you're gonna see more shedding due to if you get your bundles cut. So if you were to put this like on a wig and make a wig out of it where you don't cut your wefts, then I'm pretty sure you won't see no shedding. But everyone knows if you cut your wefts, there will be shedding because the wefts are departed, so some of the hairs on the ends are gonna come off, which is normal. So I've seen somebody says, oh, it's no shedding, da 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 da. It's no massive shedding. When people say no shedding, they mean it's not like a clump of hair. When they say no shedding, they mean 4 or 5 strands. Like, that's normal. That's no shedding to me. But shedding is clumps. So know the difference. That's the difference, ladies. So you guys don't get confused and be like, oh, I thought you said no shedding. Yeah, it's not shedding in clumps. It's shedding in like 4 or 5 strands. So that's that. I still have not worn my lashes yet because I don't know. I save them for special occasions, like just in case I take my lashes off, which I just got my individuals reinstalled on. When did I get my lashes? I got my lashes reinstalled on Friday, on August the 4th. I got my lashes redone, so I still have not used my strips, but I will be using them really soon. I gotta catch them. I'm probably gonna use them on a rainy day when I don't have my lashes done and I'm not back in Atlanta. This hair is actually really, really great. Like, when it comes to flat ironing this hair gets straight like that. When my stylist straightened my hair, it was absolutely amazing. If you guys didn't see the beginning of the video, that was like right after I got my hair done. Like, my hair was beyond straight. And I usually think when I've had body wave in the past, it got straight, but like when I slept on it and woke up the next day, it like had a wave to it. Not this hair. It's straightened. You wake up tomorrow, it's still gonna be straight, and the next day it's still gonna be straight, and the next day it'll still be straight, unless you curl it like I did today. As you can see, it's got, you know, a little wave in it because I had curls yesterday. Other than that, this hair has really been good to me. Hair review for like probably two more months, because I don't plan to have my sewing in too long. I plan on getting more hair so I can make a wig out of it, so I can, you know, take it on and off. So it's worth it. This hair is absolutely amazing. Like, you guys want to see me run my fingers through it. This is me running my fingers through it. Run my fingers through it. Move this chair. You see how it goes up and it follows? I've been doing that a lot all weekend. I know everybody's tired of seeing me do that. That's all I can do, because it's the whole point of having long inches is so you can flip them, baby. So yeah, I hope you guys like this hair. If there's any questions or anything I did not cover in my video, please comment below. Like, comment it, whatever you need about this hair. I will answer your questions. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's a quick video, but thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy this review, and I hope you go buy your bundles from Prissy, girl. And she has updated you guys also on the bundle, so when you do order your hair, she has new labels and she has a tag now, so you know how long the hair is and what kind of hair it is. I'ma get all the man down. WWE SmackDown. Yeah, I'm fucking raw, nigga. Beat your bitch raw, nigga. Yeah, I'm on my way. I'm going fast. I'm coming home. On my way. I'm going fast. I'm coming home. $1,000. That's my dog. Me and my dog. We on tour in a row. Me and my dog. We on tour in a row.
Yeah, I'm close, baby, don't push me. This is how it always should be. When we wash your blow a hole, she gets away.